Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, lot of people asking one question. Sir, how we can schedule post on Facebook and Instagram? So what is the option will be follow to schedule the post on the Facebook page, Instagram? Here two things you remember. We can schedule post will be Facebook, Instagram separately also. So how we can posting the separate that option? First of all, log in your Facebook page, Instagram first on your browser. After that, I'm always say is a repeated number of times. Your Facebook page connecting Instagram mandatory field. Recently, I received the YouTube comment box. So I'm unable to connect to my Facebook page to Instagram. One Facebook page connect only for one Instagram account. Don't try multiple Facebook page in one Instagram. One Facebook page will try for multiple Instagram account. So one Facebook page, one Instagram. The page Instagram will be connected. After connect this option, we have to use option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. So this option compulsory and mandatory. Why we can use this option? At a time we can posting will be content Facebook and Instagram also. So they will be useful to Facebook and Instagram. Select Instagram. Here we can log in your account. Select the create post option. In this create post, select the feed option. Here we can selecting for your particular Digital Rakesh account. Now I'm selected here. Select my account. First of all, select by your particular photograph where it is. Select here and select your proper content. Here will be mentioned near Facebook also will be there. So they will be today will be scheduled post will be Instagram, Facebook. But suppose you have to schedule post Instagram, you can schedule by Instagram also by using this option. Both pages will be scheduled set by the Facebook page also. In this, here will be select save draft schedule. Here is the option. So separate schedule will be given here. Schedule post. Here will be given option. In this particular schedule will be here. So what is the schedule will be? 22 and minimum will require for 10 minutes to up to 75 days will be schedule will be given. Here, if suppose I'm selecting for public now, here will be selecting for schedule here, same option. We can see this one. Here will be 10 minutes to 75 days. Your schedule will be accepted up to 10 minutes to 75 days. If you go to the Facebook page, the schedule will be same and here also will be same option will be given Facebook, Instagram. The schedule post will be decided by your particular option. So here, what are the option will be here? So 10 minutes required. I'm going to the 32 minutes. Done. 34. Exactly. You can schedule the post. Exactly 11 on the particular 34 time. The schedule post will be done. Now my recording will be 11:23. So I have selected by the exactly 11:34 p.m. I schedule the post. We can schedule post on Facebook and Instagram, and we can command to at a time will be one time you can schedule post on Facebook and Instagram also. So this method only when you connect your Facebook page with Instagram, the possibility will be given by the Facebook Creator Studio option. Don't forget, you always using Facebook Creator Studio. Lot of option give the in a particular option. If you go to only Facebook option, backdate schedule post there. But coming to Instagram, only schedule post is available, not available by the backdate post option. So this method we can follow and post content Facebook and Instagram at a time once. The option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. So on time will be scheduled and there will be minimum 10 minutes to up to 75 days. On time will be published at a time Facebook and Instagram also. This option we can use. The option name is Facebook Creator Studio. Any doubts about this option, then please ask me in the Digital Rakesh channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.